in our first video you may see a small introduction about our latest Laravel admin dashboard product that is also available in our website called Extension Valley. You will be able to purchase this plugin. It's only $18 for it gives a lot of options like ACL and CRUD management systems and many other features. Here we are developed this Laravel admin dashboard extensions based on this Laflux platform. So this Laflux is a different platforms than currently available CMS in Laravel. It's not just a CMS, it's a hybrid platforms. What is this hybrid means? We are introducing these platforms is top of Laravel framework, not fully just like CMS features. It has individual components that can plug and play. That is exactly doing in CMS also, but CMS does a lot of other stuffs too, because it gives a full patch to your requirements or your projects. But this Laflux is gives only whatever you want. Suppose things about you need just admin panel, rest of the things you are able to build yourself. In that case the CMS is not a best option, but Laflux is a good option for that time also. You may need a few more components just like menu manager, pages, or module manager, some kind of easy stuffs like that, but you are not interested to use the entire CMS and all its folder structures you have to follow, and coding standards or extension patterns, those kind of things you may not interested to follow for your applications. In that case Laflux is a perfect fit for your applications. Next level hybrid next level rapid application developments, the Laflux is best choice because we developed this based on Laravel packages concept. This packages concept is very popular in Laravel. You will be able to see the packages documentation in Laravel website also. This is a concept commonly used for developing packages. Here you can see the package concept of Laravel. This method we are used to implement our platforms. So this is not just altering the Laravel default folder directory structures or something else. It gives an features without modifying the Laravel structure or anything. Okay, here we are introduced these platforms with a few packages. You will be able to see the free versions here and pro versions here. Once you click the free versions, our GitLab page will be launched. You will be see whatever packages we have right now is Orange, Ranger. These two are themes, and another thing is Laflux. This is our platform base theme. This is also a theme for front-end applications, and module manager, banner, menu manager, and pages. These are the components available right now. We are working on it, and we are extending our package repository. Okay, here we can just start the installation of a Laflux platform. First you have to check the Readme. You have to make sure a few things. You have a Composer installed in your system. Also the Laravel basic knowledge is also required, because a few of the few operations requires command line access and command line knowledge also. So let's start with the installation. Then I will explain how we can configure the demo website contents. The demo website is also available here. You can see that this is backend. We can see the front end. This is the demo website. I will just show you how we can install a fresh version of Laflux and configure like this website demo. But this is pretty good and very easy to follow these steps. Okay, let's start that. First I have to open my terminal. Okay, in my terminal I'm using a development folder in home directory for creating applications. So here I'm creating a new application. I'm cloning our repository. Git clone to Laflux. Oh, Laflux may be there, so I'm giving Laflux demo. The application will be cloned to the repository. You can see this may take a little bit time. Okay, here you can follow the installation scripts. There are two types of installation is available. Download the zip files and extract into a repository, a folder, or clone the repository. Okay, that command is completed. So we are going inside Laflux demo folder. Make sure you have given the permission for storage folder 77. Don't forget this. This is necessary. Okay, now let's open our Sublime text. Okay, and open our development folder. Laflux demo is the checkout version of our project that needs to be populated here. Just check the env. You have to set your database name. I am putting it as Laflux demo, and also I have to create my database in here, localhost php my admin. I have to create my database as Laflux demo. Okay, those are good things. Now I have permission for a storage folder, and database details is set. The username is root and password is also root. I can set the link also that I have to give Laflux demo app. Okay, I am using Fedora, so in my virtual host configurations I have to edit host file for setting up a virtual host. You can see that I just adding it as Laflux demo.app. So I'm just closing this. After that I have to create a virtual host configuration file that is available in Fedora's http directory conf.d workspace config. This file I already created. I have to create a conf files that will be included in default Apache configuration files. So I just created this workspace.conf for my custom virtual host domains. So in that file I can just copy the existing ones. Laflux demo, that is the folder also. So I have to give the path no name, that is my name, and development folder, these things, and this public directory. Okay, same thing I have to repeat here also. Virtual host port 80. These are just like Fedora's configurations. You may use a Debian system, so you may need to use site available and site enabled concept of Apache 2. That is up to you, which OS you are using. Based on that, you have to set this virtual host configurations. Now this is okay, and this is this is also good, and here it is. Okay, now this should be ready. Now I had to restart my Apache systemctl restart httpd. Okay, this might work. Now I have to inside this I have created env's database details I have set. Also I created a virtual host. Now I have to follow the instructions available in our Laflux system. Okay, my details are ready and running the following commands. Okay, first I have to initialize the submodules. I will tell you why this. Okay, these are the submodules, actually banners, base themes, menu manager, and module manager and pages. These are we already saw there in our platforms. These are components I mentioned. The necessary components are added as a git submodules. This repository is not holding those entire packages. You may need to remove one of the package for your project, or you can add also. It's up to you. There is no need of handling all the packages. That is the advantages of using git submodule concept. Here I am checkouting all these submodules directories. Also this command git submodule for each git pull origin master. This command is used for getting the latest update from submodules individual repo. This may not be need to run in first case because it's already is updated. Now I have to install the composer. Make sure you have a composer available in your system terminal. It may take a little bit time. Once it's installed, you will be able to follow the instructions. Vendor publish and migrate and db seed and composer dump auto load. These are the things you have to follow. Rest, let's check what is the status. No, it's not yet completed, so we may need to wait little bit time. Okay, insights. Yeah, this is our demo site. We can prepare a demo like this with this installation. This is a good template. This is also responsive. This is another website templates available, that is orange themes we are using for this. Right now 3 templates are available. We will add later more themes also. Yeah, this command is completed, everything is installed, so I can just follow the instructions here. Yeah, I have to publish everything, so I have to vendor publish. Yes, every packages are published. Now I just need to migrate, php artisan migrate. You will be able to see all the migrations are running. Yes, it's already migrated, and now you have to run the seeder. Yeah, seeder actually put some default values. That is also fine. Now you have to make sure this command is also run, because the composer dump auto load -o, or -o means optimized. It will load your packages service providers for auto loading classes. Now it's good to go, everything is done. Now you can just check whether it is working or not. We given Laflux demo dot app. Yes, it's working. You can see some of the sections are missing here, like the site name is not there, the menu is not there, the banner is not there, the footer menus are missing. Actually this is just a dummy options. You will be able to do the rest of the things in admin side. Okay, the default username and password is Laflux admin at Laflux, and 123456. Once you logged in, you will be able to see all the components are there, and its menus are configured, and all the packages available in systems are already integrated with this. Inside sections you will be able to see profile. You can change the current admin user password here. Also you can upload some images. Also you can change the admin email address here. Okay, now you can set the site general settings. This is Laflux demo. Okay, I'm just adding some text as copyright also. Also some just SEO stuff like that. I'm just saving it. Here you can see the site name is updated. Also the copyright will be updated here, and here current versions of Laflux will be shown. You can see the front end here. In front end the site title is already appeared. Okay, now it's good to go. You have to first create the menu like our demo site. Here is our demo, where it is, this one. You can create some menus. Okay, here we are adopting the concept of Joomla CMS. The menu types we have to create first. I'm giving header menu. It's applied to header menu position. I will tell you what is these positions are. Here you can see that module manager. These are the template positions available with this template. This template is comes with template positions. All these positions you can assign some existing modules or custom modules or theme HTML contents, or even some custom HTML. So you can just create some menu items. If you are not creating any menu items, you also will be able to create. No, just create some menu items. That will not take more time. Okay, I'm just creating home. Source will be slash. If you have any pages related to source, you can select those pages. That links will be auto populated here, and it's a root level menu. Open as new tab. No required single page menu is not a single page, and save. Just add another one. Left sidebar. Source will be, we can add the pages later. Right now it's just given slash. It's 2. Okay, we can just check this menu is appearing or not. In our demo it's not appearing. Why? This is because we are created just a header menu. We have to assign those header menu to this position. So header menu, we have to create it as module type as menu manager, and ordering will be 1. We have to use theme layout or module layout. In this case the base theme is used, so base themes styles are appropriated to the current selected themes, so it will be theme layout, and it's displayed in all pages or custom pages. If you choose custom pages, you will see that custom pages, all the pages available here, and you can select. It's a header menu, so it will be available. It need to be available in all pages, and you can select the category. If different menu types are there, you will be able to select categories here. Okay, just save it. Okay, now we can see that there is home menu and left sidebar. You can see that both of them selected because I given both of them the URL as source as a slash. That's why. Okay, we just need to create a page. We just need to create a page called left sidebar. You can see that the page URL is auto populated. You will be able to edit also, but you have to follow the formatting correctly, because special characters are not allowed. Only hyphens are allowed in these things. Okay, I can create some HTML contents, like in our demo site. I can copy it in left side. In left sidebar, I just copying this content and I am pasting it here. And layout can be this is a left sidebar, right? So we have to select layout as left sidebar and publish. Okay, now the page is published. In menu manager, you can just go to left side menu and select the page left sidebar. You can see that the page source menu source is also already updated, and update now. Now you can see the left sidebar is ready. The page title is auto picking, and this thing is also coming content. The left side is empty. Suppose we need to create some content for this left side, like some menus or banner or even custom HTML. You will be able to do that just in our this module manager. You can see that left sidebar template position is there. You can give some content. That is also I am copying from our dummy text, and I am giving it is here some custom HTML, and you have to select HTML custom template. So it's always one, and you can use theme layout or module layout. In this case this is not required because we are using custom HTML, and I am pasting the content here and display in all pages. This is not required to display in all pages. We just need to display it in left sidebar. Okay, so just I saved it, and now you can see the left sidebar is came. This is it. Suppose this is only just one content, you will be able to add another also. In that case you can set the ordering, which one is need to be appear on the first. This based on this order it will apply here also. Similarly, you can create the right sidebar and contact us pages. These are just HTML contents or whatever contents you need. This is also the positions available. For the demo purpose, I will show you the default contents already available in these things. So I am just creating a footer widget. Here you can see some custom HTML theme static content. Theme static content will be served the contents of that theme's layout by default, so we don't need to put any contents. It needs to be displayed on all pages. You can see that I'm just refreshing it. Yeah, that is came there. If you need to edit this content to some custom HTMLs or some another modules, you will be able to edit it from here also. You can just change the content type to different and paste the contents, or it's maybe a menu from a menu manager, or it's from a banner, or whatever things you needed. Another thing is banner. You will be able to see that in our demo site, this one. There is a home banner is there. That is from our banner components. You will be you can create some banner category here. Here I am creating home banner, something test and submit. Now I have to create some banner item. I can create some sample. Okay, or just do one thing. Okay, some sample content, maybe home categories banner, and ordering it will be changed. You can set it to some our demo website, and media can be chosen some pictures. Oh, this is our, yeah. Okay, just open this and submit it. Oh, I forgot one thing. The permission needs to be set in that directory, so I have to put the default permission. Have to make sure the directory has the permission. Which one is in the public folder? There is the package. Packages. Okay, here I have to set some permission. Sudo chmod -r 777 extension value. So it will be able to create the folder. Oh, that's just taking. I'm just uploading this screenshot. Okay, I can edit this. This is the second image I'm choosing. Okay, a thumbnail will be appear here. Here also you can see that. And now it will be the time for seeing the front end. Okay, we have to do one more thing. In the module manager you have to assign that to corresponding template position, so it will be here. Home banner, it will be banners type, ordering will be 1. It can be also theme layout. It not need to be shown all pages, it just need to be shown in the home pages. The category will be home, and save. Okay, now you will be able to see the banners. Yes, now it's look good. You can create whatever images suits for your requirement, and just put it there. And also left side you can see that. Okay, now it's good to go. Okay, you can see the backend features like user panel. You can create user groups and users. Here we already saw the pages. The menu manager we already saw. Module manager we already saw. The functions of module manager you are familiar now. Now just go to extension manager. This is one of the main features of our platforms. You can install another themes to this via this extension manager. All the available packages you can see here. You can deactivate or activate it here. Only thing you have to make sure the thing is the directory should be writable. You can see that the packages folder is not writable now, and also the config app files need to be owned by default Apache user. and also the app file also need to be writable by Apache user. If all these things are set correctly, you can install just from here and activate it in the backend. So this demo for the basic installation of Laflux platform is almost done, and now you can install another packages or different themes using this platforms. The integration of this platform is very easy, and also you will be able to choose whatever packages you require. You don't need to install all the packages. You just need admin dashboard. You can choose just admin dashboard itself, the base themes, just the front end themes, all the stuffs, whatever you need, you just pick those things only. Here few difference in our free versions and pro versions. Pro versions also comes with a default ACL Manager. You will be able to allocate this user groups based roles to these menus. That is an added feature. Actually it's a good feature for managing the quick start. I will just show you a demonstration of that also. Demo at Laflux /admin. You can see it here. Oh, the password gets changed. Okay, in my local machine I already installed that. Here you can see, yeah, this is a full version, that means paid version. You can check that access permission. This is just admin panel only, that is why the rest of the components are not coming. Here you can choose the super admin or whatever groups you need to give the permissions, and whatever permission you need to give, those only applicable for them. Right now I given all the permissions, and another features like you will be able to restore the trashed items. Here you can see every menus we have only trash options. The trash means soft delete. It will not delete permanently from the database. If you need to delete permanently from the database or restore from the database, you have to use our premium version of the dashboard. If you are using our premium version of dashboards, the installation is quite easy. If you are using our Laflux platform also, you just need to replace the packages folder, this directory, like in this packages folder, you can see that the dashboard is there. You just need to replace this folder with the pro version. Everything will works well. There is nothing to change. All these modules are written compatible for our free versions and pro version also. It also supports our ACL also. There are many features are available in premium version. You can download our premium version from our website extensionvalley.com. Here you can see that our dashboard plugin here. You will be able to see the full demonstrations here, and also you can just purchase it from here. It's only $18, so it's good to go, and it has a integration tutorial available. This tutorial is only for this purpose, admin dashboard integration, so it may be confusing for without command line knowledge or Laravel fresh users. So it's recommended to use Laflux platform first, then you have to just replace that admin dashboard package with the pro version, so it will be good to go. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and you can suggest any additions to our platforms, or any requirement to our platforms, or any future improvements or additional packages suggestions or something, we are working on it. We will release soon one of our major components blog, and also we are releasing more themes, so it will be good to go with this platforms. This is a promising platform for latest Laravel upgrades. We are not changing any directory structure or any other core features, so it will be easy to upgrade. Right now it's fully compatible with Laravel 5.3. It's built on top of it, so we are ready to move to 5.4 also. Thanks for watching this tutorial. You can subscribe our YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, here you can see that our YouTube channel is there. You can just subscribe our channels, so we will release future video tutorial also. All the packages is available with proper documentation. You just need to follow the documentation itself. It will be sufficient for the integration of our platforms. Okay, thank you for